Hello and welcome to the video. Before we dive in, I wanted to quickly mention that we have a free Discord group, and the link is in the description below. It's completely free to join, and in the group, we share insights, signals, and trade setups to help you stay ahead of the market. Today, we're taking a look at GBPUSD over the past few days. We've been focusing on long positions. As highlighted in our Discord group, you can see the progression of the trade in the screenshots we shared there, starting from our analysis before taking the entry to the trade moving into profit. Initially, it pushed up to 100 pips, and now it's sitting at 250 pips in profit. If you take a look at the chart, you'll notice how price has developed. While it took a bit longer than anticipated, it has naturally progressed to the upside and continues to push higher. We're still projecting that price could potentially move into the 500 pip range, but we're monitoring price action closely in case there are signs of reversal. If you'd like to follow our trades and ensure you don't miss out on the next big move, make sure to join our free Discord group using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.